Mount Etna has once again shown its most ferocious face. Volcanic activity on the southeastern slopes, particularly in the Valle del Bove area, continues with no signs of abating. What initially began as a limited eruption has now escalated into a series of terrifying volcanic events, sparking serious concern among scientists and local residents. From a distance, the sky above Etna appears shrouded in a thick, billowing ash cloud, forming a giant column visible from tens of kilometers away. Loud explosions are heard periodically, accompanied by ground tremors that make the surrounding area tremble. Incandescent lava flows rapidly along the slopes of Valle del Bove, creating a river of fire that incinerates everything in its path. Valle del Bove, long known as a natural buffer for Etna's lava flows, once again bears silent witness to the majesty of nature. The eruptive fissures on the mountain slopes continue to be enriched with volcanic material in the form of lava, ash, and hot, toxic gases. At night, the scene becomes even more eerie. The fiery red glow of the lava mixes with flashes of fire and black smoke, creating a beautiful yet terrifying panorama. Volcanologists note that this eruption pattern is quite aggressive. The high magma pressure within the volcano causes continuous eruptions on its slopes, not just one brief episode. Intense strombolian activity, accompanied by active lava flows, indicates that Etna remains in a highly active and unpredictable phase. The impacts of the eruption are beginning to be felt across a wider area. A thin layer of ash has been reported in several nearby towns, disrupting visibility and daily activities. Airports have raised their volcanic ash warnings, which could pose a hazard to flights. Meanwhile, authorities continue to monitor the situation and urge the public to stay away from the danger zone around the volcano. While there have been no reports of major damage to organizations, the threat remains real. The constantly moving lava flow can change direction at any time, depending on slope conditions and the volcano's internal pressure. The released volcanic gases also pose a hidden danger, especially for those who dare to approach the phenomenon. Mount Etna, one of the world's most active volcanoes, once again reminds humanity of the uncontrollable power of nature. The ongoing eruption in Valle del Bove is a terrifying reminder that natural beauty is often accompanied by deadly threats. The world anxiously awaits when Mount Etna will calm down, or whether it will unleash an even more devastating fury. Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, has erupted again, creating a terrifying atmosphere on the Italian island of Sicily. This latest eruption reaffirms Etna's reputation as one of the world's most dynamic and dangerous volcanoes. Loud explosions, plumes of volcanic ash, and fiery lava flows are clearly visible from a distance, darkening the surrounding sky. Etna stands over 3,300 meters tall and has been active for thousands of years. This volcano is almost never truly sleeping. Its frequent volcanic activity makes Etna an important object of study for volcanologists. However, for local residents, each eruption still brings fear and anxiety. This time, volcanic ash spread across the region, covering homes, roads, and farmland with a thick layer of gray ash. The eerie atmosphere was particularly palpable at night, as incandescent lava flowed down the mountainside, appearing like a slow but steady river of fire. While beautiful from a distance, this phenomenon posed a significant danger. Local authorities immediately raised the alert level and closed several areas deemed high risk, including hiking trails and tourist areas around the mountain. Flight operations at Catania Airport were also disrupted due to volcanic ash, which can damage aircraft engines. Several flights were delayed or diverted for safety reasons. This demonstrates that the impact of Etna's eruption is not only felt by the local population, but also by the economy and tourism in Sicily.